Now, let me say congratulations to you if you made it to this special backdoor page. I don't know how you get access. Maybe you are fortunate to see the page after the watching the lecture. Maybe you got through mail or someone share with you. Although it's not meant to be shared anyway, it's specific for specific set of people. So So now, what I'm doing this specifically for Nigerian brothers and sisters. This is not tribalism or whatever. It's just to help people. I understand what exchange rate. I understand. I understand the earning power, the disposable income in Nigeria, and yes, but also uh, people need to make little commitment and when it comes to softwares and tools. So that's why I have special deal for um yeah. A monthly plan for the software is $10. We have a lot of customers in international market paying $10 every month to use that software. We have some people who are paying $99 for a year to use that software. Some people after they spend $10 for a few months, they will migrate to $99. Some will now pay the one-time fee. As they love it. We have a lot of conversions around here, and it's been amazing doing this. So the same software that people in international market can get $499. I have a special deal for you because I know what exchange rate is all about, and then we need to also encourage one another, especially the serious-minded, hard-working, those who are building something, not those who are looking for a way to make money without doing anything. So, so these are the people this is for. So you can pay $49. There's going to be a link below this video where you can use your PayPal or your credit card to pay. Now, let me tell you something. Okay, I'll talk about that refund policy now, but I'm doing something extremely extreme. Let me put that way. Now, 5 people that watched this video and responded, the first 5 people, you don't pay $49. Just pay 9,990 naira, Nigerian naira. Don't pay $49. $49, if you convert it, is around 25,000 or low. If you convert it at the current rate of dollar, which is 500, okay, let's assume you do at 450, that should be around 22,050 naira or so that $49 is going to give you. So I'm doing something extremely for you. Pay in naira, pay 9,990 naira. Very small money, and you get access to all the 54 lifetime deal. You are not paying again, and we are not taking anything away from you. It's the same thing. All the 54 you have access to them, lifetime deal. Yes, yes, and this is for 5 people. Please don't get the first 5 people to contact me. I'm going to drop a link um or how to pay, or I'm going to drop a WhatsApp number to get in touch with me so that I can help you create this special offer. Now, in case you miss this among the five people, you pay $49. You can also pay the $49 equivalent. You can pay it in naira in case you miss among these 5 people. So, if you are ready for this, I will drop a WhatsApp number to contact me. Please contact me. So, if you are chatting me, and I'm also going to drop a bank details. Okay, so if you are chatting me, please, it's not to come and tell story, eh? Story. No, it's for you to request for account. You want to take advantage of first 5 for the SL Blazer for 9,990. That's your request when you're saying, and when you are sending me, I don't wait for me to reply hello, please. I'm a very busy person. Just drop your request, then I will tell you to pay. Once I tell you to pay, that means you are lucky. If I say no, you have to pay $49. So if you are fast enough, you can take advantage of this 9,990. You don't want to miss this. So let me stop here. I don't want this video to be longer than necessary. This is just to help you up to help yourself. This is very small money. If you convert this, this is not up to how much is this? This is not up to it's around $20 or so. That is ridiculous. But we just have to do it, and we are not taking now. In case we sell in international market, we have refund policy. In case you feel like you don't love those tools, for any reason, we refund your money. Yes, if you sell in international market, you must be used to refund. There are some people that for any reason they say they don't want to use your tools. Maybe they just want to test. Some buy for different reasons. Some are So if you sell in international market where we sell and you don't want to issue refund, you will go down. So if you are Nigeria, so don't think, oh, maybe they will not pay refund. We pay refund because there's nothing we are losing. You pay us, you say you don't want to use the tool again, we refund your money. We block your access to use the tools. So we are not losing. So it's not that we will not be able to render our service to you. And there's no fight about that. You can come back another day and say be our customer. So we're used to that. It's not a Nigerian thing that people you bought something from them, then you complain, then they block you. No, we don't do that. We are used to refund. If you are if in international market, there's some platform where we say that you see have within even 60 days you can have refund. So we have because of this deal of 9,990, you have 30 days refund policy. If you use this software within 30 days and you feel like this is nonsense, come on, just get in touch with us. Send us your username and password. Block it there. We'll refund you. That's all. There's nothing to lose. Yes, we are not losing. Yes, it's a win-win situation for two of us. Thank you. Don't forget, I'm going to leave a WhatsApp message and then probably an account number for you to pay to or a means to pay online below this. So take action. Be among the first 5. Pay 9,990 to get access to this software. Thank you. God bless you.